Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I will show you Xiaomi 11 Lite Google account FRP bypass. If you forgot your Google account, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. First of all, connect your mobile Wi-Fi connection. I will connect my hotspot and another mobile. And wait 1 second. Now asking your Google account and password. If you don't know your Google account and password, don't worry. I will explain. Step by step I will explain. First of all, remove the back panel and carefully watch. Now I showing mobile test point. This two test point is very important. Okay. Open the unlock tool and click the MI and search your mobile model number Xiaomi 11 Lite. This tool is not free. This tool is paid tool. I am already buy. And after that, click the Brom EDL and click the erase FRP. Now tool is loading. Wait 1 second. Now touch the test point on your mobile and after that connect the PC and your USB port is dead. Oh my goodness. Qualcomm USB loader is loading. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Your phone is now unlocking. Now your Google account is successfully removed. Oh my goodness. Nice. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. Oh my goodness, now your phone is successfully removed your Google account. Oh my goodness, can you please support my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you and next time I will try without PC method and latest mobile unlocking video and mobile review video. Can you please support my channel and see you by next video.